press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, today let us continue the problems on chain rule. In the previous class, we have discussed around 25 to 30 problems. So in the today's class also, let us discuss some more varieties of problems. Under that, first one, secant power 4. Secant power 4, secant inverse, log root, sin x, log root sin x. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ನಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೆಟ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ರೂಟ್ sin x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 4 into secant cube of secant inverse log root sin x. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಿದ secant power 4 ಇಂದ ಆಯಿತು ಇಂಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ secant inverse of log root of sin x. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ secant ಆಫ್ secant inverse ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 4 into secant cube of secant inverse log root sin x ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. secant of secant inverse, that is differentiation of log root sin x, log root sin x. Secant of secant inverse x is equal to x. 4 into secant cube of secant inverse of log root of sin x into what is differentiation of log root sin x? Log, differentiation of log 1 by log x 1 by x. ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು secant cube of secant inverse of log root sin x into 1 by root sin x into what is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x, that is 1 by 2 root sin x into differentiation of root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು sin x. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ secant ಪವರ್ 4 x ಪವರ್ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ secant ಆಫ್ secant ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. 4 into secant cube of secant inverse of log root sin x into 1 by root sin x. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. 1 by 2. Differentiation of sin x is cos x divided by root sin x into root sin x is sin x. So 4 by 2 becomes 2. 2 into secant cube of secant inverse log root sin x into cos x by sin x is cot x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. So this itself is the derivative of the given function. Now let us go for one more function. Very simple question. 1 minus x whole power 5. Let y equal to 1 minus x whole power 5. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, so this is x power n formula, 5 into 1 minus x whole power 4 into differentiation of 1 minus x. 5 into differentiation of 1 minus x whole power 4 into differentiation of 1 minus x is minus 1. Therefore, you can write it as minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5 into 1 minus x whole power 4. That itself is its derivative. Next question. X square minus 3x plus 1 whole power 4. Let y equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 whole power 4. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. So whole power 4. 4 into x square minus 3x plus 1 whole cube into differentiation of x square minus 3x plus 1. So this is x power 4 formula into differentiation of this u. 4 into x square minus 3x plus 1 whole cube into differentiation of x square is 2x minus differentiation of 3x is 3 plus differentiation of 1 is 0. So that itself is its derivative. Next, 1 divided by 4 minus x square let y equal to 1 divided by 4 minus x square. You know the derivative of 1 by x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. But in place of x you have 4 minus x square. So what is the derivative of differentiate with respect to x? dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus x square whole square into differentiation of chain rule 4 minus x square minus 1 by 4 minus x square whole square into differentiation of 4 is 0 minus differentiation of x square is 2x. So that minus into minus plus, therefore dy by dx becomes 2x divided by 4 minus x square whole square. 2x divided by 4 minus x square whole square. Next, root of x square plus x minus 1, let y equal to root of x square plus x minus 1 differentiate with respect to x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ root x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx 1 by 2 root of x square plus x minus 1 into differentiation of x square plus x minus 1 root x 1 by 2 root x. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ, x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. So you have to apply the chain rule, that is derivative of that function which is present inside the root. 1 by 2 root of x square plus x minus 1 into differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of x is 1. So that is 2x plus 1 divided by 2 root of x square plus x minus 1. This itself is dy by dx. Okay. Now let us come to one more problem. 2x plus 1 whole cube. Same simple question. Let y equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into differentiation of 2x plus 1. 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square into differentiation of 2x is 2 plus differentiation of 1 is 0. Again 3 into 2, 6 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So this itself is dy by dx. Okay. Very simple question. Next, 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. Let y equal to 3x square minus 9x plus 5 whole power 9. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx whole power 9. 9 into 3x square minus 3x plus 5 whole power 8 into differentiation of 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So now the continued part, 9 into 3x square minus 3x plus 5 whole power 8. Differentiation of 3x square is 6x minus differentiation of 3x is 3. Or you can also take 3 as a common factor, that 3 into 9 becomes 27 into 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Now 3 is taken common, so this becomes 2x minus 1. That itself is dy by dx. Next question. Sin power 15x. Sin power 15x. Let y equal to sin power 15x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 15 into sin power 14x into differentiation of sin x. 15 into sin power 14x into differentiation of sin x is cos x. So that itself is dy by dx. Okay. Okay. Sin x square sin x square, let y equal to sin x square, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. What is differentiation of sin cos x square into differentiation of x square? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, what is differentiation of x square? 2x. 2x into cos of x square. 2x into cos of x square. Very simple question. Next, cos root x. Let y equal to cos root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to minus sin root x into differentiation of root x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus sin root x into differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Matte root x cancel ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದು independent ಇಲ್ಲ root x. It is associated with sin function that cannot be cancelled with the root x of denominator. Next, tan of 2x plus 3. Tan of 2x plus 3. Let y equal to tan of 2x plus 3. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. dy by dx ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು is equal to secant square of 2x plus 3 into differentiation of 2x plus 3. Differentiation of 2x is 2 plus differentiation of 3 is 0. 2 into secant square of 2x plus 3. Secant square of 2x plus 3. Next, cosecant of 2 sin x. Cosecant of 2 sin x. Let y equal to cosecant of 2 sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. ನೋಡಿ, cosecant ನ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, cosecant x ಗೆ ಏನು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್? ಮೈನಸ್ cosecant x ಇಂಟು cot x. ಆದರೆ x ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? 2 sin x ಇದೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ cosecant of 2 sin x into cot of 2 sin x into differentiation of 2 sin x. x ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆದರೆ x ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 2 sin x ಇದೆ. So you have to apply the chain rule. What is differentiation of 2 sin x? Differentiation of 2 sin x is 2 cos x. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ. Cosecant of 2 sin x into cot of 2 sin x. That itself is its derivative. Okay. Next, sin of sin x. Sin of sin x. Let y equal to sin of sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. Differentiation of sin is Sine of sin x is cos of sin x into differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x. What is differentiation of sin x? Cos x into cos of sin x. So this itself is its a derivative. Next question. Secant of e power x plus 1. Secant of e power x plus 1. Let y equal to secant of e power x plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. Differentiation of secant is secant into tan. Secant of e power x plus 1 into tan of e power x plus 1. Secant x in a derivative. Secant x into tan x into differentiation of what is u here, e power x plus 1. So what is differentiation of e power x? E power x plus differentiation of 1 is 0. So that gives you e power x into secant of e power x plus 1 into tan of e power x plus 1. So this itself is the derivative of the given function. So these are all very good questions. Next is tan of secant x. Tan of secant x. What is the derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. But in place of x, you have secant x. So apply the chain rule. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. Differentiation of tan is secant square of secant x into differentiation of secant x. Okay. Secant square of secant x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Next is sine of ax plus b. Sine of ax plus b. Let y equal to sine of ax plus b. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, what is differentiation of sine? Cos of ax plus b into differentiation of ax plus b. Okay. What is differentiation of ax? A plus differentiation of b is 0. A into cos of ax plus b. So that itself is the derivative. Next, cos of a cos x plus b sin x. Cos of a cos x plus b sin x. Let y equal to cos of a cos x plus b sin x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. Differentiation of cos is minus sine of, keep it as it is, a cos x plus b sin x into differentiation of a cos x plus b sin x. Minus sine of a cos x plus b sin x into differentiation of a cos x is minus a sin x plus differentiation of b sin x is plus b cos x. So that itself is its derivative. Sine of x square plus 5. Sine of x square plus 5. Let y equal to sine of x square plus 5. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. Differentiation of sine is cos of x square plus 5 into differentiation of chain rule x square plus 5. What is differentiation of x square? 2x plus differentiation of 5 is 0. So that gives you 2x into cos of x square plus 5. 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So tan x is not needed. E power root x, you can go for that one. Very simple question. E power root x. Let y equal to e power root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to e power root x into differentiation of root x. E power root x into, what is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. E power 5 cos inverse x. E power 5 cos inverse x. Let y equal to e power 5 cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to e power 5 cos inverse x into differentiation of 5 cos inverse x. So that is e power 5 cos inverse x into differentiation of 5 cos inverse x is minus 5 into differentiation of cos inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Starting allene bardiddini, confusion ಏನು ಬೇಡ. Log of 4x square plus 9, log of 4x square plus 9, let y equal to log of 4x square plus 9, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. What is differentiation of log 1 by 4x square plus 9 into differentiation of 4x square plus 9. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2x into 4 is 8x plus differentiation of 9 is 0. Therefore, what must be the derivative? 8x. 4x square derivative 8x divided by 4x square plus 9. Yes. Next, log of 4 minus x. Log of 4 minus x. Let y equal to log of 4 minus x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, 1 divided by 4 minus x into differentiation of 4 minus x. 4 is a constant which is present independently, whose derivative is 0, minus differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, what must be our conclusion? Minus 1 divided by 4 minus x, or you can also write it as 1 divided by, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. 10 ಪವರ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, 10 ಪವರ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೆನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, dy by dx. So what is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. Similarly, 10 power e power x into log 10 to the base e. ಏನು ಬರಿದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಇನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, into differentiation of e power x. Therefore, what is dy by dx? 10 power e power x into what is log 10 into what is differentiation of e power x? E power x. So this itself is the derivative. Okay. Now let us take one more problem. 3 power 4x square. 3 power 4x square. Let y equal to 3 power 4x square. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ a power x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 3 power 4x square into log 3 into differentiation of 4x square 3 power 4x square into log 3 into what is differentiation of x square? 2x into 4 is 8x. So that itself is its derivative. Next, log of log x. Very simple question. Log of log x. Let y equal to log of log x. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx 1 by log x into differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. One by log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. ನೋಡಿ ಆ 1 by x ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, x ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ಎರಡು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, log root sin x. log root sin x ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಗ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇ ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಪವರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to x dy by dx e power sin inverse x into differentiation of sin inverse x. ನೋಡಿ e power x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, e power x ನ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನು? e power x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ e power x ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ sin inverse x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you have to apply the chain rule, that is the derivative of sin inverse x. So e power sin inverse x into what is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This itself is dy by dx. This itself is dy by dx. Next question. Sin inverse of 1 minus x. Very good question. Sin inverse of 1 minus x. Let y equal to sin inverse of 1 minus x. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? 1 ಅಪಾನ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಆದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. 1 upon root of 1 minus of 1 minus x whole square into differentiation of 1 minus x. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 1? 0 minus derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus of 1 minus x whole square. Root of 1 minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus of 1 minus x whole square. Next, cos inverse root x. Cos inverse root x. Let y equal to cos inverse of root x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. What is differentiation of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square means root x whole square into differentiation of root x. Okay. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus root x whole square is x. What is differentiation of root x? 2 root x into 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Next, tan inverse of x square plus 1. Tan inverse of x square plus 1. Let y equal to tan inverse of x square plus 1. So what is the derivative of tan inverse x? The derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. But in place of x you have x square plus 1. So go for chain rule. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 whole square into differentiation of x square plus 1. What is differentiation of x square plus 1? 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 1 whole square. So this itself is its derivative. Okay. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.